Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Speaker sir, this budget is maximum announcements and minimum achievements. I had a glance on the first page. My attention was on the first photograph. Speaker sir, on the top of the photograph, I read Goa International Airport MOPA and realized that Manohar is missing. This was a direct message to me, Speaker sir, that there is nothing Manohar in this book. What the common man wants, Speaker sir, is relief from cooking gas, relief from petrol, relief from power tariff, relief from essential goods, relief in the public transport sector. The youth wants employment. Goa is facing basically burns of GST of 800 crores.
स्पीकर सर, एक सायडीन गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणटा कॉर्पोरेशनां बंद करतलो, दुसऱ्या सायडीन नवीन स्टार्ट करता स्वयंपूर्ण बोर्ड, युवा आयोग. हे खोकेनी घेतिल्ले आमदारांक अकोमोडेट बी करपाक काय म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, हे एंटायर बजेट इज ऑन मायनिंग रिवायवल 1000 कोटी खातीर. आतां हे बाब युरी आलेमावन सांगला ते भशेन हे केन्ना येतलें आनी हे वर्सा जर तें सुरवात जायना जाल्यार तुजें रेव्हेन्यू डेफिसीट वील गो फ्रॉम 800 crores to 1800 crores. म्हळ्यार तुजें फ्लॉप जालें सगळें.
आज प्रपोज केला ते स्पीकर सर, हांवें जे भाशेन भायर एक स्टेटमेंट काडलो, दिस इज लायक अ ड्रीम बजेट.
Well, they have their unfulfilled works of last year's budget to be still completed. If you could not, after taking so many additional voter accounts and supplementary demands were made, you could not fulfill those budgetary promises of last time. So you are still carrying over. This is like a hangover which you are getting.
एकंदर एक बऱ्या तरेची बजेट म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रा तसले टॅक्स न लायता सगळे घटक भितर समावेश करून मागीर मिडल क्लास आसतले, पुअर आसतले, रीच आसतले, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर आसतले, ट्रायबल आसतले, ह्या सगळ्याच जाणांक भितर घेवन एक सगळ्यांक कशा पद्दतीची बेनिफिट्स जावपाक शकता अशा पद्दतीची बजेट आज तांच्यांनी विधानसभेन मांडली.